Right. Kasi nakaka-premium yung pag puro movies lang yung project and everything.
Yung sabi ni Boss Vic.
Yeah, that's what Boss Vic told us talaga. Sabi niya, gusto ko movies lang kayo. Kay Boss Vic naman talaga manggagaling na ang decisions. I mean, siya yung nakakaalam kung ano yung best para sa amin. So kami, susunod lang kami.
Meron bang additional pressure or ano na kayo, mas kampante kayo na you're back with 2 major movie outfits or may pressure pa rin for Top Gun?
Must be pressure, but this time with 2 major production. Yeah.
For me, it's less pressure. I mean, being able to work with Star, Skylight Films, you know, we're really thankful that they joined us on this project. And actually, it relieved the pressure, relieved the stress.
It's actually a good attitude naman. And last na lang to all of you guys. Since this is an Astig movie, no, what makes your personality Astig?
The character or us?
Personally
Us.
kayo po.
Sinong sasagot sa apat? Okay, yes. Sige na sa'yo na yung mic, Bebel.
What makes me a stick? I'm really adventurous, I guess. You know, I'm not sure really what makes me a stick. If I had to,
That defines you being a state adventurous. Nadine.
I guess, ako po kasi I'm not really a girly girl. I'm a boyish. I do like extreme stuff. I like extreme sports, I think. So yun po yung feeling ko, yung I think na astig sa akin. I mean, iba. I'm not the typical na, po.
Type ba ni James yung mga gano'n, medyo boyish?
Gusto niya daw girly girl eh.
Oo nga, paano yun? Wala siyang chance ba to like it? Okay, Nadine. Yasi, please.
Ako, I'm really spontaneous, so feeling ko, as a girl, that's what people may take as astig. And I box, the sports. I swim isn't really astig, but I think as a dancer, parang I have that inner swag. So yun, so basically that's it. I think being a dancer, I'm not like the ballerina kind. I'm more of like the tough girl, and I think that's what makes me astig.
Nice. Joseph.
For me, I think yung versatility ko. I'm easily to get along with and I'm cool. So, yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank
Okay.
you.
With that, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo this morning.
Salamat po.
Thank you again
Thank
so much.
you.
Bibigay niyo sa Talk Back and You're Dead, August 20, from Viva Films and Skylight. Okay, again, salamat po.